I'm using a Dremel style rotary tool with an aluminum oxide grinding stone attachment. Before doing this, make sure the mower is off, the spark plug wire is disconnected, and the mower is stable. I also emptied the excess gas into a container before tipping the mower over. The safest full method is to remove the blade, sharpen it off the mower, balance it, and reinstall it correctly. But this video is showing a quick DIY touch-up without removing the blade. When sharpening the blade, I'm not trying to make it razor sharp. The goal is to follow the original bevel, smooth out the dull edge, and clean up the cutting surface without grinding away too much metal. Now you want to hold the tool with a firm grip and use light, steady passes across the cutting edge. Try not to stay in one spot too long, because you don't want to overheat the blade or dig into the metal. Now I'm following the angle that's already on the blade. You want the edge to look smoother and cleaner. That's it. It doesn't need to be knife sharp. A lawnmower blade needs to cut clean. It needs a clean cutting edge, not a razor edge. So after one side is touched up, move to the other side and just repeat. Try to keep both sides as even as possible. If one side gets ground away more than the other side, the blade can become unbalanced and cause vibration. Once both cutting edges look smooth and even, you're finished with the touch-up. Now, if your blade is badly bent, cracked, or deeply chipped, or the mower vibrates after you sharpen it, don't keep using it like that. Remember, remove the blade, replace it, or have it sharpened and balanced properly. Now that's a simple way to sharpen or touch up a lawnmower blade without removing it, using a rotary tool and grinding stone. Be careful, wear eye protection and gloves, and remember, do not rush it. Just take your time, and remember, when sharpening the blade, you're not trying to make it razor sharp. Just follow the original bevel, smooth out the dull edge, and clean off the cutting surface without grinding away too much metal, and you'll be fine. And coming up next on Surplus DIY, I'm making homemade laundry powder with washing soda, borax, and Castile soap to see how many loads it can actually make. Thanks for watching.